up at Legends North Yard. A lot of people want to know how to incorporate the 90 with the 180 unit using the Tandum Next. We made a mock wall to show how to do that. At the back, you'll see we've already put in place all the structural blocks, but ensure that the wall is engaged and doesn't slide. We use our universal clip and clip it at the back. That'll help for any movement. Now the key when you're doing the 90s and 180s together is to always make sure you're working in 180 increments. That'll avoid any cuts. But different than how we would typically use the Tandum Next system is we're going to use 2 universal clips at the front to attach the veneer. I'm going to show you guys some examples of that here. So here we've attached our corner unit, making sure we're using the corner end on the outside. We've attached it with 2 universal clips into the male-female portion of the Tandum Next. Below this, we've actually used universal clips as well. And then on top, we're going to use another 2 universal clips to attach the veneer. Now the wall veneer is engaged.